Second day of the roof project. The first day we got all the lathing down on the house. We didn't finish the lathing on the pump house building. The one before went down really good, wasn't too bad. But Bill and Bobby's coming up today. We should start laying metal today. Pretty excited. Right on time.
That's the ridge. What is that short stuff for?
Is it that building over there?
Oh, did you order stuff for that building?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know you did that. You didn't tell me that.
Oh, yeah. That's what the short stuff is right there.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's probably what this is then.
Probably, yeah. Yeah.
This little short stuff. Yeah, that's what it is. Sucker, you got to explain this to us.
I'm pretty sure I already told you, Bill. I'm pretty sure I told you.
Hey, and this right here is probably for that pump
Yeah,
house.
that's for the pump house. That makes sense. Okay.
I thought you knew.
No, I didn't know.
Cut some of this out up there to the middle, so you got vent, because we're not gonna.
I got
You're not
you.
gonna have whirlybirds
So
up here.
yeah, so well there'll be some material with that it's vented.
Yeah, that it's
Okay.
in that box down
Okay.
there. It's like a mesh.
Yeah.
We'll put it down through there when we clamp the top vent cover on. Then it'll have some breathing holes in the
Okay.
low spots of the metal.
Makes sense. I got you.
But I don't know sure how far this is going to be sticking out. You know what I mean?
I ran mine flush with the metal. Wherever the sheet metal ran lengthwise, that's what I stopped my rake with this. Does that make sense to you?
See, it's going to be sitting like this on the edge of the roof.
Yeah.
Is this other piece?
I think it's going to cut. I don't think it'll come down in here that need to be cut. I don't believe.
Okay, that's
I
what
don't think. It wasn't on my shop.
We
I don't
should
remember
be
cutting
able
that.
just to stop it with that one before.
Trim! Trim!
Mud brick.
How long?
Next time before we drop, we're going to
Oh, yeah.
measurement for him.
Just joking.
We wasn't ready. We was just seeing if you was. 86.
86?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a different.
Whole different thing.
What is I wonder if it's a different model.
This one's probably yours. Is
Oh, what's
probably
yours say?
well, this
Surge? That one's
M12.
must be a different model or something.
I'll tell you what, anytime you buy a drill bit, if you get these kind that's got the shoulder on it like that.
Oh yeah.
Now if we was using regular drill bits, we would have broke them. I mean, it'll break them in a heartbeat right
That
now.
stops. What setting you got yours on, Bill?
It got different settings? Oh, it does, don't it?
That's on 2. I think 2's the sweet spot.
Oh,
Mine's
don't tell him that, man. I was looking good for the video.
She did. She got all over my butt last night. We was sitting there and I was pumping gas from a chit truck or fuel.
She's probably watching it on Facebook.
And she was looking at it and she said, "You didn't tell him thank you. And everybody's gonna see it."
This is for Daquita. Go ahead, tell her.
Thank you for the impact. I really appreciate that, you know.